So here is a paint shaker which is made with a ball bearing extracted from the arm of an hard drive. Here is the axis, which is hollow, and this is a drill bit which was broken and which is inserted into the axis of the ball bearing. So the white printed piece is there to fit the axis and to put everything in place. So you insert this into the head and you have the system which is rotating, but with a small off-axis motion. You can put it on a dremel. Okay. Yep. And you have what is called a vortex shaker. You can use it to mix your paint like this. So the result is really efficient, and the paint is fully mixed. You can choose the speed. And if you want, you can reverse the paint to shake it upside down. Enjoy.